Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 28. Unsteady, vulgar, unbending, cheating, malicious, lazy, despondent, and procrastinating. Such an agent is said to be tamsika, dull.
Chapter 18, Shloka 28. Ayukta prakrita stabdha shato naishkritiko lasah vishadi dirgha sutri cha karta tamasa uchyate.
Chapter 18, Shloka 28. The tamasic doer is described. The tamasic doer pursues his work motivated by his tamasic knowledge and expresses himself through his tamasic actions. He is unsteady, vulgar, arrogant, deceitful, malicious, indolent, despondent, and procrastinating. He is dullest type of agent. He has no control over himself and so unsteady. His mind does not obey the warnings of the intellect. Even when told, he never admits the vulgarities as his own. He is arrogant and obstinate and will not act honorably even when persuaded. He becomes dishonest and deceitful out of his incapacity to see any point of view different from his own conclusions. He is full of vengefulness. He is very indolent and overindulgent. He is an idler and avoids all creative endeavors and productive efforts. He is a social parasite. His overindulgent nature saps up all his vitality and courage to meet life. He criticizes and complains and wishes for a secure spot in the world, away from all obstacles, so that he may peacefully satisfy his endless thirst for sensuous enjoyments. He becomes incapable of arriving at any firm judgment. He cannot consistently pursue any action. He postpones until it is too late. The procrastinating tendency is natural to a tamasic actor. In this and the two preceding shlokas, we saw the details of the sattvic, the rajasic, and the tamasic types of doers available in the world. Whenever a true seeker discovers symptoms of tamas and rajas growing in him, he should take notice and at once consciously strive to regain his sattvic beauty. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.